need your hand actually. So if you could come down a few steps for me. Go ahead and come down here. Perfect. And then I'm going to have you hold up your hand just like this, like you're holding a fancy tray. Go one more step down and hold really flat. Hi, Miss Maggie. You want to come with me? Oh, we're eating a seed. Let's go, Maggie. Oh, we're eating a big seed. All right, so she is going to be flying to your hand. Go ahead and come on down here, ma'am. That would be great. Let's go, Maggie. Let's go. Good girl. All righty. So if you go ahead, hold on one second, ma'am. We're going to go ahead and send this behavior real quick. You see him right there? You got it?